progress in today's electronic world, we are getting more and more interactive with devices and use it to store and access the data. Let us try to understand on fundamental level that how is data fetched and stored in memory. So here we group 4 of Q division are trying to explain you a few basic fundamentals of computer organization and architecture. Fetch basically is a read type of instruction which gives access of the stored data in memory to register. Store is a write type of operation. It allows us to modify or add data and designate it address from the register to memory. So for fetching a word of information, processor should specify the address of the location and request a read operation. The fetched information may be instructions itself or the operators used in the instruction. The response time varies of each memory. The processor waits until it receives an indication that the requested operation has been completed. So there are certain steps for fetching a word from memory. From R1, the address goes to MAR and starts read operation on the memory bus, then waits for the MFC response from the memory. The MDR is loaded from the memory bus and from MDR it goes or reaches to R2 in the end. Here in the instruction cycle, you can see the diagrammatic representation of all the steps for fetching a word from the memory. Now, let us see about the write operation. It provides the address of the desired word to the address lines, also transfers the data bits which are to be stored in memory to the data input lines. It activates the write control line. Now, to write a word into memory location, there are certain steps to be done. Firstly, the desired address is loaded into MAR and then the data to be written is loaded into MDR and a write command is issued. So the next slide shows you a brief cycle of instructions which includes the step which I've already explained you in the earlier slide. So I would like to end up with the topic. Hope you have a slight idea on our topic. Thank you.